Hi, I have the February kit from the Sticky Club. I got it yesterday, and I'm going to apologize in advance if you hear my dog Angus walking around. She's awake now, but this is what it looks like on the back. And there's the Sticky Club if you want to try and find them. And I think I said it was the Pop kit for February. So let me put this over here in the corner. This is their sticky storage that you get when you order their kit, and I've been using it and I love it. And then there's the ring. You get one ring and then one sticker container. So let's pull out these little ones first. Cute. Hope you can see them as I'm laying them out. I really like this old camera. I still have a Pentax from, wow, more than 20 years ago. That should date me nicely. Okay, and this kit is called Into the Wild. Let's see, let's pull him out. And actually, this is the reason why I bought the kit. I really love space, you know, that whole theming. And then here's a little paper clip, a little bicycle. I'm gonna put him, let's see, where can I put him so you can still see him? Put him right there. And then on the back side, we get more stickers. So here's the storage. Okay, let's see. Use the back of this next one so you can see what they look like. Kind of cute. Here's the second one. It says camping. This is cute also. And here's a couple of word stickers. Travel is my therapy. Let the travel begin. It's time for journaling. No, it's time for a journey. When in doubt, travel and ready for new adventures. That would be fun to use. And here's my little astronaut guy. Pretty neat. Can't wait to use him. Here's a couple of few more. I've got two more to show you and then we're done. This one's really nice. I love the whale. And then the little space thing. Really neat. Last one. This one is foil looking, probably silver. Hope you can see that. There you go. That's better. Okay, this is February's kit from the Sticky Club. This one, I think I said, I keep forgetting, is the Pop. I hope you like this as much as I do. This is really cute. Boop. And I was able to order it without my husband knowing. So yay for me. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.